ship sets sail on a journey to discover the wondrous health benefits of a salad fit for a pirate's feast. Ahoy, me hearties, today we be digging into the secrets of a salad that be extending lifespans, boosting brain power, and bringing a cleanse to the liver and kidneys. Air, the ingredients in a natural, healthier life, and remember, ye be what ye eat. So let's not be acting a fool with our health. Now, me hearty, imagine only to see your face, including the majestic asparagus tips. These be treasure troves to health, aiding in kidney repair and lending hand to cognitive presence. And as the Holy Scriptures say, our body is the Holy Spirit. So let's keep holiness. Next up on this culinary adventure, we've got the vertically below base, as strong as the hull of a pirate ship. Add to it the liquid gold of olive oil, mixed with Himalayan salt. And ye be on a voyage to a heart-healthy haven, savvy? But wait, there be more treasure in this salad chastradishes. These little gems be aid in digestion and keeping ye body in top form, and as we follow the righteous path of Lord Jesus Christ, we ought to be sharing our blessings with those in need. The mighty broccoli sprouts, those miniature green treasures that beholden the secrets to keeping your noggin sharp and free from the clutches of dementia and Alzheimer's. Ahoy, me shipmates, gather round as we set sail on a spicy adventure through the world of serrano peppers and the wondrous benefits they bring to our bodies and minds. Ahoy, ye fiery souls! These serrano peppers be like cannonballs of goodness for our health, packed with capsaicin, a magical compound that sets our tongues ablaze and ignites the fires of vitality within. These peppers be aid in our hearts by improv and circulation. Ahoy, ye seekers of spicy adventure! These habanero peppers be like jewels of the culinary world, possessing benefits that be as unique as the treasures within a pirate's chest. Their fiery essence, loaded with capsaicin, be a gift from the heavens. Imagine adding dates to your salad, a touch of sweetness that be like finding gold in the midst of greens. These dates be bursting with natural sugars, given a touch of sweetness without the need for added sugars or syrups. 'Tis like nectar from the gods themselves. And as ye sink your teeth into these succulent dates, remember that they be rich in fiber, aid in digestion, and helping keep your belly feeling full and content. Just like a well-fed crew aboard a ship, air. These gems be the secret weapon against overindulging in less healthy treats. Picture this a handful of walnuts, like tiny brains, holding within them the key to enhancing both brain health and cognitive prowess. 'Tis like nature's own message in a bottle, showing us the path to vitality. Picture this adding even more asparagus tips to your salad be like adding extra sails to a ship, catching the winds of health and steering us towards a brighter future. These tips be a source of healing and rejuvenation. But that's not all, me hearties. These green wonders be packed with nutrients that enhance brain function, making ye mind as sharp as a sailor's blade. They be like a compass guiding us through the seas of thought and reason. As we journey through this world, let us remember that the path to health and knowledge be intricately woven by the Almighty's hand by choosing these asparagus tips. We honor His divine plan for our well-being. When in doubt, add more olive oil. Ye land lovers, olive oil be like the treasure chest of flavors, ready to enhance your dishes and set your taste buds a-dancing. We embark on a quest for the mighty avocados, those green gems that hold within them the power to extend our days and elevate our minds. Ovis, ye seekers of vitality and wisdom, as we set sail through the world of nutrition, let us remember that certain treasures, like avocados, be exceptionally blessed by the Creator with nourishing powers. Imagine this, me hearty souls feasting on raspberries be like uncovering the pages of a hidden map that leads to sharper minds and clearer thoughts. Aye. These berries be rich in antioxidants that sweep away the fog of age. But that be just the start of the tale. Me brave shipmates, raspberries also harbor compounds that be supportin' heart health, keeping it beating strong like the rhythm of a drum on a pirate ship. Aye, they be a secret weapon against the tides of cardiovascular troubles. Picture this, me hearty souls combining the creaminess of avocado and the smoothness of olive oil with the zing of grapefruit be like orchestrating a symphony of taste. The grapefruit's tartness be like a salty sea breeze that balances the richness, creating a melody that dances on your taste buds. Imagine this, a handful of blackberries be like a chest of blessings from above, rich in antioxidants and vitamins that be like drops of wisdom pouring down from the heavens. Just as a ship's cargo be valuable, these blackberries be a cargo of health and goodness. But that be not all. Me brave souls, blackberries be like a beacon of hope for heart health, supporting its rhythm and strength. Aye, they be like a steady heartbeat, keeping us on course through the waters of time. As we partake in these dark and luscious treasures, let's remember that the blessings of Jesus be like a warm wind filling our sails by choosing to nourish our bodies with these gifts. We honor His divine plan for our well-being. And as we share the tale of these blackberry blessings, let's keep the spirit of Munchness Ministries alive, spreading the gospel and aiming to save more lives, all while embracing the health and faith that these treasures represent. So, me shipmates, set your course towards a healthier, more blessed life, guided by the goodness of blackberries and the spirit of Jesus. Office, ye lovers of vitality and knowledge, picture this, a block of raw grass-fed cheese be like a loyal shipmate, standing guard within your refrigerator. This cheese be more than sustenance, it be a detoxifying agent, a sponge that soaks up toxins from the body. Imagine this, me hearty souls, raw grass-fed cheese be like a chest of health, packed with the riches of protein and healthy fats. Just as a crew relies on its provisions, our brain relies on the sustenance of this cheese, boosting its function and nourishing its very core. August Mates, Part 1 be done. But fear not, more pirate salad adventures ahead. Support the crew at https $Munchness to keep the ship afloat. Stay hearty, pray wise, and savor the honeydew melon's blessing. Until next time, me hearties, #Munchness Ministry.